Today's video is going to be a little different than what I've posted so far. Similar to when people do, deep cleans of their kitchens or deep clean their whole house, I thought I would film a video of me de-hoarding my closet. I've procrastinated on doing this for about 2.5 years now. And I think the reason why I've procrastinated so much is just because my weight has fluctuated so much within the last 2 years. I don't want to get rid of anything because I'm like, oh, what if I lose weight? But then I'm like, oh, but I'm gaining weight, so I need to get clothes that will fit me properly because my old clothes don't, and don't even get me started on how many bras I have. But yeah, what I'm going to do is get 3 laundry baskets. The first laundry basket will be labeled to go, like I don't want it at all. The second laundry basket will be labeled maybe, I don't know. And then the third laundry basket obviously is what I'm going to keep before I go straight to donation because, I'm broke. I actually bring all of the clothes that I don't want to a Plato's Closet, which is like a consignment shop. If you look online at Plato's Closet's website, it will actually tell you what they're looking for so you don't bring clothes there and waste your time, you know what I mean? You can take brand name clothes and they will give you money for those brand name clothes. Before I even begin this process, I need a coffee. I don't know why I'm doing this like vlog style, but it's fine. So even though this is like horrific and embarrassing, I'm going to show you the hoard. Oh god, I don't even remember what's in here. Okay, this is just gonna be shocking. I have no idea what the f that is. I know this pile right here is specifically for Plato's Closet. Know that for a fact. Have no idea what's under it.
Where are gloves?
Pardon?
Where are gloves?
Gloves for what?
Bathroom.
It's chore day in our house! The gloves should have been in the cleaning basket. Those jeans right there, I have not touched in 3 years. I cannot be the only person on earth who does this. This is my boyfriend's closet. Do you see this massive container? This is from Kirk, leaving all these morettes and screws. Look at these rolls of tape. Leaving that in his work pants, and when I do the laundry, that is the kind of stuff I pull out. I did this. This is so horrible. Oh god. Please. Oh my god. No. No, no, no. Okay. Whew. This dresser and that dresser over there, I am not even going to bother showing you what's inside. Like, everything is just, it's just stuffed to the brim. Like, stuffed, like underwear, regular shirts, shorts. Oh my god, I love these shirts. Like, see, I don't even remember that I have these things until I go through it. Okay. I can do this. Right now I'm about a quarter way done. I've managed to clear that top shelf, organize the entire bottom. What I have hanging in the closet is what I didn't take off hangers because I wanted to keep it, because why would I take it off the hanger just to put it back on? Before I get started on my boyfriend's closet, where is my mug? Like, I lost my mug. Before I get started on my boyfriend's closet, I'm going to make another coffee. Hi! Hi! Oh my, do you want a cookie? Jump! Jump! Yes, good girl! It looks intense. I'm not gonna lie, it looks intense, but I'm gonna break it down. Right now we have the nest of hangers. That's the Plato's Closet donation pile. All of this are my boyfriend's clothes. That's straight up donation. Clothing that I have that belongs on a hanger, minus what's in the wash. It's all here. I finally have everything on a hanger. Here we're going to have spaghetti straps, to tank tops, to t-shirts, to 3/4/long, sweaters, then dresses. By the way, those are hot rollers. I watched a Vogue interview with Dita Von Teese, so obviously I had to go buy hot rollers. In this top drawer, I have my underwear and lingerie. In the second drawer, I have my socks and all of my Spanx and spandex, tank tops and everything. This is all of my bras. This is my pajama drawer. My tank top, swimsuit, and legging drawer. I also have a couple skirts in there. And then all of my tour t-shirts and comfy shirts, and these are all of my yoga pants. I actually added some more shorts up there. There's a skirt up there. That is all I have left. put every piece of clothing of my boyfriend's that belongs on a hanger in here. Right now I'm going to sort everything in categories, just like I did with my closet. So this is going to be for his work clothes, t-shirts, long sleeves, sweaters, everything else. I always let my mom and my sister and my friends go through my clothes and look through my clothes in case anybody needs anything or wants anything. But right now, I'm going to fold and bag all of these clothes. 4 enormous reusable bags. These 2 are the Plato's Closet, and these 2 are the donation. Look at that! That has been plaguing the back of my mind. Doing all that has been plaguing the back of my mind for like 2 years. That's crazy. I really hope that I encouraged at least one person who watched this video. That means it's time to go through your clothes. Just get it over with. I promise you, you will feel just so much better once it's over with. I'll see you next time.